Hey everybody, about to make a mask using a t-shirt. Pretty simple, and since this looks like it's going to be a norm for a little bit, whether we're just going outside or we're exercising, I figured it'd be a good idea just to show you like one simple way to make something from a t-shirt, which most of us have. So one of the first steps, and you can basically make two masks from each shirt. You're just going to take some scissors. So all you need is a pair of scissors and a t-shirt, and you can make your mask. So the first thing you're gonna do is just cut the sleeve off of your t-shirt. So I typically do that up by the stitching. And one of the things with doing this, it doesn't need to be perfect. So like if it's not a straight line, it's not a big deal. As long as it's cut off the shirt and it can cover your nose and your mouth, you'll be fine. So your sleeve is off. The next thing you want to do is I typically come down to where the stitching is at the bottom of the shirt. I'm just going to make a small cut up into that stitching. Again, doesn't need to be perfect. And then I'm just going to cut around that all the way. Okay. So once you have that, at least one cut off, and you have your strand, so you can see that's, pretty long piece of material. You can stretch that out a little bit. Right? Now, this is going to be your face covering. So you can do this a couple ways. I typically take this and half it, right? Feed that up and through. So that's the top end of your loop. And you're going to take that part up and over your head. And then you can bring that down over. And then just bring the rest around and tie it on. And then obviously you can adjust it however you want, and there's your face mask. Okay, pretty simple. Like I said, all you need is a pair of scissors and a t-shirt. You can make two face shields with that, and then just use the bottom portion of the t-shirt to make that, and you can make a bunch of those if you wanted some spare ties. So there you go, there's your face mask. You can pretty much use whatever t-shirt you want, and then just take your time to adjust it.